Another type of variation is inverse variation. It's as one quantity goes up, the other one goes down. So maybe like the more time you spend studying for your math test, the less problems you'll get wrong, right? That's inverse variation. So direct variation was y equals kx. Inverse variation is y equals, k over x. So it's k divided by x. So let's try that out on the next one. Given y varies inversely as x and y equals 3 when x equals 8. So y equals 3 as x equals 8. Now how do you solve that for the constant of variation? It's k over 8, so we would multiply both sides by 8, which gives us 24 for k, which if we were to then rewrite that in the original equation, it would say y equals 24 over x. And you're like, oh, Mr. Plant, what in the world would that graph even look like? I'm so glad that you asked. Look at that graph. It's crazy, right? So like if you took 24 divided by positive 1, it would give you 24. If you took 24 and divided by 2, it would be 12, right? And it just keeps cutting down like this. Also, the negative ones are included there. So let me move my face out of the way and you can see that graph a little bit better. Kind of neat. But that is inverse variation graph. So let's try another one here. Y varies inversely as x and y equals 4 when x equals 10. So if we started off y equals k over x and we substitute in our values, it said y was 4, x was 10, right? So we multiply by 10 on both sides, which gives us a constant of variation of 40. So if we then rewrite that in the original equation, it'd be y equals 40 over x. Which the graph to that is going to look pretty similar, except for we were dividing 24 by things earlier. This one is dividing 40 by those numbers. So, not too bad, right? Not too bad at all, Mr. Plant.